Hey, how are you all? Now it's time to review this Google Home Mini. As you know, I have unboxed it already, so you have seen this. This is a smart speaker which is powered by Google Assistant, which is quite impressive. It has this. I'm having this charcoal gray, maybe. Yeah, this is charcoal gray color, and it will nothing in weight as compared to the big one. It has weight of only 172 grams or 6 ounce around. So, and it is 4 centimeter. Yeah, 4 centimeter tall. It has a height of 4 centimeter. It has this micro USB port. I'll show you. And this has micro USB port. This is the micro USB port. Anyway, it has a premium finish from backside. It has a rubber from it is a rubber from backside, and it has this button. I don't know for what it is. This is a mic, turn off, turn on. This is turn off, and this is on. So this is a quite impressive device for the lazy ones who don't want to just move from their couches or something. So yeah, it's quite good device, and you can get any information about weather, news, sports, and more with your voice. That's amazing. This will price you in India about 4499 rupees in Flipkart or Amazon, and the bigger version is about in 9999, about 10,000 rupees. So it will cost you more cheaper in US for only $49, and the big one is for $129, which is quite cheaper than the American Indian price. So it's quite good device. Now I'll tell you about some audio formats. It will support both AAC. One is H and another one. It will support MP3, Vorbis, and etc. So it has 4.1 input support of Bluetooth. It has a 360 sound with the 4mm driver of speaker. So mic, it has a quite voice recognizing sport hand-free mic. So it's quite good, and its power adapter is quite good, but not very far, Yeah, it has 5 volts to 1.8 ampere, and micro USB port it has. I already showed it. It supports 5.0 Android to higher version, and it will support the iOS in 9.1 and higher. I'm sorry for my bad voice, because sometimes I'm speaking this louder because some words are not properly clear. So yeah, it is good device. So please let me turn this on. So as you can see, it's turning on, and it quite take roughly 25 to 30 seconds to just boot once. and you can directly set up from your Google Home app in any iOS or Android, so it will set up. But you will have to need a Wi-Fi to just set up it to make it run. So, but it's quite good device. You can just adjust the volume from here and here. It will decrease from there and it will increase from there. Once it will go to higher, once it will get to loudest, and it will sound like this. Yeah, it's quite impressive. I will make
The mic's off.
Yeah, I know.
The microphone is back on.
So we'll test it. I'll ask some questions from it. Hey Google, call someone.
Sorry, I can't make calls yet.
Yeah, I know. You can go to the Google Home app settings, and you can place the calls from it directly once you have all set up. So you can play music from it on Spotify, Google Play, and you can play movies, stream movies on your television, or by Chromecast or something. Yeah. You can set the timers. You can make your schedule on it. You can just weekly. You can play the weekly playlist on Spotify, Google, or something. Or that's all. Or you can just ask anything from it. So I'll ask some questions. Hey Google, who invented you?
At first I was an idea. Then a bunch of people at Google put their heads together and came up with me.
Okay. Hey Google, who is Albert Einstein?
According to Wikipedia, Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity, one of the two pillars of modern physics.
Hey Google, do you like physics?
Physics is amazing. Light from the Earth can reach the moon in 1.255 seconds.
Okay, and you can also just get the fact from it at any time, anywhere. Yeah. It's a quite durable device, and its charger is quite good. It will charge my phone, which I am having the Samsung S7, in only 1 hour 22 minutes or something. So it has a good quality of charging. We can't say that it's a fast charger, but yeah, it's good. So yeah, that's all. I'm having this Google Home Mini box here. You can see, it will have some details on it, which you have. It has some questions on it. Just start with okay Google, and small and mighty.
And
What? I haven't said something.
this is the definition of haven't.
Hey
Have
Google,
not.
keep quiet. Keep quiet. So I'm having this setup guide. Let's get started guide, and this one. So, and other box empty, as you can see. Here is a charger I've now connected. So that's the review of this thing. It's quite pretty, and thanks for watching, and sorry for my bad voice again. Thanks for watching this. Bye. Please like, share, comment. Bye.